my Bossamon. Well, some of it.
Feels so good.
Yeah.
Oh, you got that on video. That's too bad.
So we're going to 1112. Oh, take a left. On the turn left. Oh, they're in Arlington right now. They picked me up from Arlington. Ha 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 ha. Anyways, we're going to the 1112 officer retreat. I'm sleepy. Okay.
I make it like Master Chief.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later. Hello. Hello. Hi. We're en route to go to Pullman for the weekend. Woo! This is the last weekend until school starts for us. For me and Flynn. He's graduated. Because he's graduated. So we're gonna go to Pullman, hang out with chill friends, have a fun time, check out the place.
Get drunk. Don't hide it.
Don't say that.
I mean, have juice.
Be happy. We're gonna get happy.
You're gonna have juice.
Don't have juice. Okay, bye. Sing with me. It's a beautiful scenery, guys. Here, on your right, you have brown. Here, on your left, you have brown.
Back here. God, fucked up.
Look at this windmill, though. It's going crazy. It's like, I can't. Oh, dang it. Sorry, guys. There was windmill.
We're like still super on the way there.
Windmill!
She's like tripping about windmills and stuff.
Look, I'm vlogging, you vlogging.
Yeah, vlogging on vlogging, fucking Inception.
Whoa. This song is so good, though. Look, they're right there! Look, oh my god, focus, focus. Whoa, that's cool. They're huge. That's so nice. That's how they get energy, guys. It's cool. Okay, so it's 3:36 p.m. right now. We just got on 26.
Highway 26.
Highway 26, and so we have 160 more miles till we get to Pullman.
And it's about to be hella straight. It's super boring.
Mile 2. We're at mile 2 right now. We just stopped here at the Go Cook sign. It's a barn apparently. Look! We're in the middle of nowhere. Pullman! Pullman! It's 6 o'clock. 6:01. We left Seattle at 1:30, 1:45-ish. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Let's go see Wazoo now. Mia! Yeah! Eileen! Yeah! We're just chilling. We're just chilling. Waiting to go eat because she's hungry. So we're gonna hang out in Pullman. We're really excited. I'm sitting upside down right now. Oh, and it's chill. We're just chilling. I'm falling. Close to me, you're like my father. Close to me, you're like my sister. Close to me, you're like my brother. You are the only one, my everything. Yo, what's up? We're at the Cub. Not the hub, we're at the Cub. Guess why? Because we're at Wazoo campus. We're at Wazoo right now. UW! At Wazoo! Who's shuffling last Wazoo! Who's shuffling last We're in Wazoo! Oh my god! Someone was shuffling! We're in Wazoo! It's okay, we got mad love for UW, duh. But I mean, like, we got mad love for Wazoo too. Yeah. There's just so much crimson, like, it's so weird. It's so new. It's very new, but it's really nice. Look, there's a freaking bar. That's how bored they are here in Wazoo. Like, they don't have, like, they just go drink. I'm just kidding. Bar. Look. Oh, I want a shirt. Yeah, and if you come back. Dupis. Oh, that's the one you're talking about. Oh, yeah. Dupis. So, here's the Bookie. That's their bookstore on campus. Oh, I want to drink some water. Wazoo water. They have Panda Express here. Panda Express. Okay, so here's a practice field. Oh, this is the outside of the Cub. And then look out there. There's hills and hills of nothing out there.
Oh my god.
Oh wow! Hey, look, Buff Boys. We're at the wind chimes. Oh, here. There's a stadium. That's called the Nipple. That's called the Nipple. Greek girl. And this is the wind chime, so when the wind blows, you can hear it chiming. Oh wow!
Wait, is Nino still here?
What is it?
Yeah.
Oh my! Like, you can't even read anything anymore.
What is his name?
We're in Idaho!
Idaho!
Idaho! Idaho!
Go.
Wait, I have to put my Chanel on. What? There's a video. Oh. Why did you stop it? Idaho! This isn't Idaho. Idaho! 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 Not even funny. It is freaking hot. So hot. It's freaking hot. Freaking hot. Don't think
No. Later on tonight, I'm gonna be like.
Why does that look so creepy?
Just to look at.
You know the name? The name's HIPAA.
HIPAA? Like HIPAA
Like, I know
agreement?
Huh?
Like
HIPAA
the
is the
privacy.
girl.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Because it's a hippo, right?
Mhm.
And it's a girl, so it's HIPAA. And then it's like I'm sleeping with it, so I can tell her my secrets, and she won't tell her HIPAA privacy too.
So lame. So corny.
But it works. Okay, here we are on set of 135th. I don't know what street is it?
34th Avenue.
Oh, 34th. This is Sean.
This is the director, Sean. Yes, this is my first, I guess, short video, short film. Looking forward to doing it. This will be like a Christmas theme. Hope it works out.
This is Nino.
Alright, let's go. Alright.
Let's go. So I got to Nino's place at 7 a.m. Right, Sean?
Yeah.
Right?
You did.
This guy's name's Nino. He lives in my closet.
Got a camera in the closet.
Here we are at, where are we?
We're at the Tukwila International Boulevard Rail Station. What he said.
It's my first time. Is it your first time?
It's my first
Is it your first time?
My third time.
Oh, well,
This is a pro.
it's not that special. But
I hope these green trails are nice enough to film on.